Good afternoon, students. Last class we have studied cooperative society introduction. This introduction is again and again you watch so many one words that page having so many one words. The cooperative society is first started in which year? 1844 in England. Started person Robert Owen. India is started in year 1912. India is started 1912. Cooperative society is main motive is all for one for all. Another one important motive is all are equal. Cooperative society is all are equal. No rich and poor. All are equal. Today, one new topic we are learn about features of cooperative societies. Features of cooperative societies. The following are some important principles of cooperative societies. First one is voluntary membership. Cooperative society is a all are equal. First one is the voluntary membership. Any person can become a member of a society and can leave it any time. Voluntary means anytime you join, anytime you leave it anytime. That is voluntary membership. The cooperative society is a voluntary organization. Its main motive is service only. The cooperative society is all are equal, no rich and poor. Second one, equal rights. Each members of a society has a equal rights to vote and ownership. Each shareholder has a one vote only. One person is 10 shares having means is having only one rights only. One another person is only having one share means that person is voting rights only one. That is all are equal concept. Equal all are equal. Democracy. The principles of democracy is adopted while making the decision. The decision of the majority is honored. Democracy. The principles of democracy is adopted while making a decision. The making decision is majority is honored. Next one, honesty. It is a basic principles of a society. Its members should be honest. Each and every person. Main is democracy and honest. Selfish people cannot run the business of cooperative society. The selfishness is own gaining in selfish property earning person is not allowed in cooperative society. Cooperative society is a voluntary organization. The organization is only main motive is service only. Next one, mutual coordinates, mutual confidence. The foundation of cooperative society is idea of mutual confidence, and members of the society should trust each and work like a team. The cooperative society is a teamwork. Is now working in individual person, no, working in team. Work like a team of society. The mutual understanding and mutual confidence only each and every person in voluntary service. Next one, welfare main objective. The main objective to provide a goods and services to members is lower price. The cooperative society members is provide a goods and services is low price only. Low price means some shareholders is some members is rich, some members is poor. Poor persons is provided in goods and services only supply in low price only. Cash payment. Credit team is prohibited. Credit team is a prohibited and goods are supplied into members on cash payment. Credit team is prohibited. Prohibited means what? No credit sale, only cash supply only. Restricted. Okay. Credit means some creating in automatically some problems. Economy. The member of the society should act upon the principles of economy. They should not misuse a capital of the society. Always keep in view best interest of a society. Some persons is some emergency want some money means the cooperative society is some person is low rate of interest in issued in some amount of money that person is collected in small low rate of interest. Next one, distributions of profit. The profit can be distributed among the members according the cooperative act. One fourth of profit can be kept in reserve. One fourth is each and a joint stock company or cooperative society. Anything else compulsory. 1/4 is compulsory profit is reserve. Then emergency situation or emergency time only that reserve amount is utilized. Then 10% of profit can be used for providing facilities to the members. 10% only used in some facilities of members. Self-service. All the business activities are conducted by all members themselves. All are the owner and all the customers. So, self-service rules of employed in the organization. Self-service means some each and every person is a service motive persons only that cooperative society persons. So the cooperative society persons is all are equal. So no one rich and poor, no inequality, all are equal only. So self-service is very important. All the owner and all the customers. So the self-service rules employed in the organization. I am a owner. I am a consumers. No, all are equal. All are self-service only. Listen, students, is very important. Features of cooperative society. Again, one time, very easy only. First one, voluntary membership, equal rights, democracy, honesty, mutual confidence, welfare, main objective, cash payment, economy, distribution of profit, self-service. Okay, listen. The distribution of profit compulsory. 1/4 is a reserve capital. Reserve capital means cooperative organization is our control only 1% of capital. The 1% of capital is our control means any emergency situation means that time utilize the amount. Okay, it's very important, students. This is very important 5-mark question. Okay, students, next one, principles of cooperation. The principles of cooperation is important. Same features, advantages and principles is more or than same content only. First one is a voluntary and opening membership. Next one, democratic member control. Third one, members economic participation or autonomy and independence. Next one, education and training and informations. Cooperative among cooperatives and concerns of community. Listen, students, this very important principles. Main principles of this principles is followed in cooperative organization. Okay. Okay, students. Next live class, I discuss live or recorded class discussing principles of cooperation. Listen, students. Today, I two recorder videos listen each, and yeah, some students is new last week only, some students is new admitted students. That students, you clearly watch this video, is easy this lesson. Two videos recorder classes, listen two recorder class each and every student you watch. Next class compulsory that two videos I am asking questions. Okay. Listen, students, starting itself, you read properly, you follow your activities, very efficient activity means you get more marks in 11th standard. Okay, students, thank you. Next class, we will discuss next one, new topic. Okay, thank you, students.